friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the FPS test while playing the Free Fire game in the Realme 6 smartphone. So this can be a same kind of Free Fire FPS test in the Realme 6i as well, because both the phones they do have the same kind of processor, MediaTek Helio G90T processor. So in this video, I'll be using at the medium settings and at high settings, and both settings I'll try to show you the what is the maximum FPS we can get in the Realme 6 and Realme 6i smartphones. So let's get started with this video. And if you're wondering what wallpapers I'm using in the Realme 6 and the live wallpapers here, try to check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist and also playlist for each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. So it is a game space application by which you can directly open any game here, as you can see. And right now I selected the high mode. As you can see, there are three different mode: competition mode, balanced mode, and low power mode. So at the moment I selected with the competition mode, that is with the high mode. So let's see in the high mode what is the maximum FPS we can actually get while playing this game. So as you can see, right now open the game here, and let me show you the quick settings, what graphic settings I'm using. So as you can see, the graphics are selected to the ultra settings, you can clearly see. And next you need to change the high FPS to the high if you want to achieve the 60 FPS of marking in this smartphone. So right now I selected with the normal settings. So let me try to show you the quick FPS on the top. As you can see, right now you're getting around 30 FPS at the moment. If you select the normal, you do get only 30 FPS. So to achieve the 60 FPS of count, then you need to select the high settings. So try to select the high FPS, and now let me try to show you the FPS count. As you can see, so as soon as you select the high FPS, the FPS count immediately jumps to the close to 60 FPS. So you can clearly see. So in case if you're using the Realme 6 smartphone and if you're having some trouble with the game space, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of Realme 6. So where I described the few tricks how you can make it work for the FPS meter in the Realme 6 smartphone. So overall 60 FPS you can actually play this Free Fire game without any problem in this phone, in the Realme 6 and Realme 6i smartphone. So right now let me try to open one of the map and let me try to play a couple of minutes, and I'll show you the little bit of game tour over here. So overall I did not feel any lag while playing this game. So the gameplay is pretty smooth. So let me try to show you the quick FPS test as well by running. I don't think that's possible. So as you can see, it's 59 FPS. So all that's very good for the 60 FPS continuously I'm getting in the Free Fire game. So I'll do the same kind of testing even in other gamings as well in the Realme 6 smartphone and 6i as well. So even if you want to achieve this kind of full screen, I will be doing another video how you can actually select this full screen option while playing the Free Fire. So let me try to show you right now how much it is, the FPS count. So you can see, friends, clearly I'm getting around 60 FPS without any problem while playing this game. So no issues with that count. So even the gameplay is pretty smooth. I did try to play the long hours gaming as well. So I'll try to do the battery draining test while playing this Free Fire game. So to get to know how is the battery backup while playing this game. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, you can comment below what type of videos you want to me to make on this smartphone. So definitely I'll try to make. So if you have any other doubts, do comment below. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.